Hello, beautiful people. So I just wanted to have a chat with you because during the lockdowns I've been putting some courses together for your mindset. So any of you that know, I help with the mindset and getting you out of stuck places and into where you want to be, and beautiful positivity. So I had been planning to send a fantastic video today, which was going to be filmed yesterday and sent out. And I had a little bit of a situation. So that kind of put a spanner in the works. But I've hobbled after being in A&E last night to show you some scenery. Excuse I got crutches hanging off of me. But there's some nature because I love to show you guys all the beautiful nature around. And while I'm here with my leg in a very good dancing boot, I'm going to run a course for a month. It's for 4 weeks, and it is to help you understand how your anxiety shows up in your body and for you to take control of it. Okay, so if any of you are going through a situation right now as we come out of lockdown and you have anxiety presenting itself in your body, I want to give you the tools to help you shift that so that you can take control and take your life back, so that we can all have a fantastic 2021 and an incredible summer. So I know many of you are getting back into the gyms, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you are thinking that you're kind of getting stuck with anxieties, the course is going to be 4 weeks, but there's 5 sessions, okay? They're going to be over Zoom. The first week is going to be about understanding how your anxiety itself, for each individual, because we all experience it differently, how it shows up and presents itself for you and how you can change that. Okay, so that's week 1. The second week is clearing out negative thinking. So if you've got negative self-talk going on that's kind of pulling you down or stopping you and blocking you from achieving those amazing goals, whether they be fitness or whatever they are, whatever negative chatter you've got going on in your lovely mind, I want to help you acknowledge it and change it into a really beautiful, positive, empowering and supportive self-talk. Week 3 is going to be connecting with the best version of you, actually really learning how to discover all the amazing aspects of you and how you can tap into that and really spend some time getting to know that and understanding what it is you want to get the best out of yourself. And the last week is going to be about setting goals, okay? How to achieve what you want for 2021 after we've all had this horrendous year. So I want to help you get the best out of 2021. Now, normally a coaching appointment with me is normally £65 for our lovely members and £85 for non-members. This session of 5 courses, so you can have 4 coaching courses to help you all the way through from controlling your anxiety to setting goals. There's going to be a 5th session for free, just a relaxation session to really help you let go of any stresses and just love yourself fully and get that beautiful vision of you and your best self for 2021. So normally the sessions are obviously a lot more. These are going to be, the whole course is £99, so you're getting all 4 coaching courses for less than £25 each, and you're getting a free relaxation. If you would like to do that, I'm looking to start the course on the 11th of May. Excuse me with the crutches. Click the link below and I will help you as much as I can to achieve your best self for an amazing summer 2021. So let's spring back to life and take control of our lives and have an amazing summer 2021. Okay, so from me and my very trendy boot and the swans, so I did hobble out to show you all of the swans. If you want to join the course, click the link below and let me help you as much as I can. You'll also get a free coaching call at the end of the course so that I can make sure that you're staying on track and work you through any speed bumps that you may feel are in your way. Okay, lots of love from me and the swans. Take care, everyone. Big hugs from me and my boot. Bye.